Understanding, replace felt parts. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might sound simple but can be quite intriguing. Replace felt parts. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone curious about language nuances, this video is for you. Let's unravel the layers together. Before we dive deeper, let's break down the phrase, replace felt parts. At first glance, this sentence consists of 3 words, each carrying its own weight. Replace. This verb suggests the action of taking something out and putting something else in its place. Felt. Here, felt is an adjective describing the parts. It refers to a type of material made by compressing fibers together. Felt is often used in various crafts and industrial applications. Parts. This noun refers to components or pieces of a larger object or system. So, when we combine these words, the phrase generally means to take out parts made of felt from something and substitute them with new ones. Understanding the phrase requires knowing where and how it's used. Replace felt parts could appear in various contexts. 1. In DIY and crafts. When working on a project that involves felt, you might need to replace worn or damaged felt parts with new ones. 2. In machinery maintenance. Some machines use felt parts for insulation, filtering, or as a non-abrasive contact surface. Over time, these parts may wear out and need replacement. 3. In musical instruments. Instruments like pianos use felt for dampening sounds. Musicians or technicians might replace these felt parts to maintain the instrument's quality. Understanding and using this phrase correctly can be particularly important in following instructions. Whether you're assembling something, maintaining equipment, or repairing items, knowing what it means to replace felt parts is crucial. Communicating needs. If you're working on a project or maintenance task, being able to clearly state that you need to replace felt parts helps in getting the right assistance or supplies. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in sentences. After years of use, the felt parts of the piano hammers must be replaced to ensure the best sound quality. The instructions manual says to carefully replace felt parts every 6 months for optimal performance. Can you help me find the right tools to replace the felt parts in this vintage jukebox? And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, replace felt parts. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning, usage, and importance in various contexts. English is a rich and dynamic language, and understanding phrases like this one helps us navigate it more effectively. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more language topics with you. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.